Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make quinoa poha using an easy method. First, let's get our quinoa ready. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa thoroughly under cold water to remove any bitterness. After rinsing, soak the quinoa in 1.5 cups of water for about 15 minutes. This step helps soften the grains. Finally, drain the quinoa very well, ensuring all excess water is removed, which is crucial for the poha texture. Now, let's start cooking the base for our quinoa poha. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1/4 cup of raw peanuts and roast them until they turn a lovely golden brown and are crunchy. Remove the peanuts and set them aside. In the same pan, add 1 finely chopped onion and 1 green chili, then sauté until the onion becomes soft and translucent. It's time to bring in the star ingredient. Add the well-drained quinoa to the pan with the sautéed onions and chili. Mix everything gently to combine. Next, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color and flavor, along with salt to taste. Continue to cook this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the quinoa to absorb the flavors and become fluffy. To finish our delicious quinoa poha, stir in the roasted peanuts we set aside earlier, along with 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro. Give it a final gentle mix. For a bright, zesty finish, squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the entire dish just before serving. This adds a wonderful tang. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Serve your easy quinoa poha warm and enjoy this healthy, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.